UNESCO has warned global impunity rate for journalist killings remains shockingly high at 86% with 5 unnatural deaths in India in 2021. UNESCO report on the safety of journalists show that the impunity rate has fallen only by 9% over the last 10 years. UNESCO warns such a decrease is insufficient to succeed in stopping violence. The year 2021 shows the lowest annual death toll in 14 years with 55 killings. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and across the world will observe the Jammu Martyrs' Day on Sunday, November 6 to reiterate the resolve to continue the martyrs' mission till they achieve their inalienable right to self-determination. Preparations have begun to commemorate the historic Jammu Martyrs' Day on both sides of the line of control and rest of the world. China has reiterated the settlement of the Kashmir dispute under United Nations resolutions and said that a peaceful and prosperous South Asia is in the common interest of all parties. The resolve came during the joint statement issued at the conclusion of the Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif's 2 days visit to China. A large number of Muslims protested against the desecration of the Holy Quran by Hindu extremists in Shahjahanpur city of the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. The incident took place in Chowk Kotwali area of Shahjahanpur when people entered Shah Syed Fakhr Alam Mosque on Wednesday evening and set fire to the Holy Quran. Muslims in the area gathered outside the mosque and protested strongly. Media groups in India have condemned the raids on the offices and the residence of the Wire editors in Mumbai and New Delhi, terming them as attack on freedom of expression. Expressing solidarity with the Wire, media groups in their statements condemned the raids conducted by Delhi police in connection with the FIR filed by the Bharatiya Janata Party IT cell head Amit Malwa over the Wire's retracted stories related to the Meta.